everybody, it is I, Jimmy, and today I'm going to be doing a reaction video. Now actually I'm going to be doing two. As you can see, we've got Funny Cats Scared of Random Things, and also up here we have Cats Scared of Cucumbers compilation. Now, if you guys don't know already, cats, for some reason, most cats are extremely scared of cucumbers. So you can literally place a cucumber right behind them, then when they turn around they'll just completely freak out. And I have not seen these two videos at all yet, so let's just get right to the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's go. Is that a sock? Oh, I think it is. Oh my.
This is my other one.
Oh my god. Look at the cat. Oh, look at his tail, look at his tail.
Stand up.
Okay, Jeremy. Make noise.
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the cat is literally crying. Oh,
Jacob, be quiet.
that's a fat cat though. That is a very fat cat.
Oh, snap.
Right there. Watch its tail. Boom. It goes back playing with the cord. It's scared by its own tail. Yes. What was that? Oh, it's a helicopter. It's Shadow. Oh, that'd definitely be random things right there. So now let's go on to the cats get scared of cucumbers. Well, cats scared of cucumbers. Cats versus cucumbers. Okay, here we go. Wait, what? Too far. Boom, parkour skills right there. That is good parkour skills. Boom. He was over it. like, that's a cat. I'm looking forward to seeing this. Is it a very fat cat or a very thin cat? That's so mean. That's hilarious.
Oh shit! I fucked up! Oh!
Wait, did he slip? He got the
Wait, don't.
the delayed reaction on that. He almost sat down. I think the vulture's the other cat. I did. Oh my god. That was good. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Also make sure to check out jimmiiii MC's channel. And I'll probably put it in the description below. I don't know. Depends on how I feel when I'm making this video. When I go to actually end up uploading this video. But, I mean, otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I'm hoping to do a couple more reaction videos. Don't forget to give me some suggestions on which ones I should do next, or which games I should play next, as long as they're free. So yes, thanks. Bye.